Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update project online timesheets for approved cost tracking step by step clearly. To update project online timesheets for approved cost tracking, begin by logging into your project online account. Navigate to the main dashboard. Locate and select the timesheet section from the navigation menu. Choose the appropriate timesheet period that needs updating. Review the existing entries in the timesheet. Identify which tasks or projects require adjustments for approved cost tracking. Select the task you want to update. Enter the revised hours worked for that task. Ensure the entries reflect the approved cost rates for the associated resources. If applicable, add any new tasks or projects that have been approved since the last update. Double-check all entries for accuracy. Save your timesheet to ensure that the changes are not lost. Next, submit the updated timesheet for approval. Monitor the approval status of your timesheet. Once approved, verify that the changes are accurately reflected in the cost tracking reports. If you encounter any discrepancies, consult your project manager for clarification. Make it a habit to regularly update your timesheets to keep cost tracking accurate and up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.